Hi guys, welcome back to SSBeauty, your one-stop destination for style and beauty. This is Akshata and today I'm going to teach you 6 different trendy hairstyles that's going to take your look from this to this. From wavy hairstyle to slick back buns just like Bella Hadid, I'm going to teach you all everything in 1 minute, and it's a step-by-step tutorial, so do not miss anything. Let's move on to the first hairstyle. Before starting all the hairstyles, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair Serum for smoothing and repairing all over my hair, just so it looks shiny and put together. The first hairstyle is a trendy braid. For this, all you need to do is part your hair in a middle section. Then I'm just gonna comb my hair with my Arcelia brush. Since you see that the brush strokes go in every single direction, it's easy to comb and you don't lose your hair. After doing that, all you have to do is make sure that the face framing bangs are let outside, and you take a piece right over from here and start braiding it. And this is what the end result looks like. I'm totally obsessed with it. Look at them. Don't I look cute? Coming to the second hairstyle, it's the coquette hairstyle, or most of you guys know it as the bow hairstyle. So basically, I've kept the braids to give it a little edge, and I also have an elastic this time. All you have to do is follow your eyebrow. Move your hand from here to here till the back of your head. Separate that hair and tie a high ponytail right over here. The reason we take the measurements is because both the sides should be similar. Again, the eyebrow going to the back of the hair, separating and making a high ponytail. See, don't I look cute? But it's gonna look even more cuter. Just wait for the bows. Since I'm wearing brown, I'm going for pink bows and give it a more Barbie look. You can choose whatever you want. I would suggest go for white because white goes with everything and it's easy. Take a strand of pink ribbon and we're just gonna simply make a bow. And this is the final look. It doesn't look equal, but it looks 10 times more cuter. Coming to look number 3, which is my second most favorite after this one, and the transition comes like 1, 2. This is the easiest hairstyle. All you need is a clean base and a lot of clips, colorful plus points. Now I'm gonna just make a side part. You could use any clips you want, but since I'm wearing gold jewelry, I'm gonna use gold clips, and not just 1 or 2 clips, a lot of clips. This is what the clips look like. I am so excited. They look so chic and cute at the same time. Let's move on to the fourth hairstyle, which is an elevated ponytail. All you have to do is divide your hair in 2 parts. I'm gonna make a loose, low ponytail. For this, you can also make a high ponytail. The messier the better, that's why I'm not using a brush. Once you're done with the ponytail, just flip it from outside to inside. And that's how it should look like. Now I'm gonna do the other side. This is what it looks from behind. And this is what it looks from the front. Quite chic, I must say. The next hairstyle is the coolest hairstyle by far, which is bubble braids. So let's get into it. For this hairstyle, all you need is a high slick back ponytail, and take my advice, just do this. Ain't it fabulous? Also, I'm just gonna take the brush and make sure no knots are in it. Now comes the easiest and the most fun part, it's making the bubbles. Take a couple of hair ties, make a bubble. For more texture, you can also use a texture spray. It should look messy, that's the point of having a bubble braid. And then you make a small little bubble. Since it's the last hairstyle and we already have a sleek back ponytail, all I'm gonna do is use the L'Oreal Serum to give the extra shine. Now for the bun, I'm gonna make a knot in my hair so the ends are floating like a spike. I'm gonna leave few peacock feathers right over here to give it a little edge. And that's it. This was my sleek back bun. Simple, easy, and literally takes you 2 minutes. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, follow to SSBeauty. Akshata out.